Good morning, everybody. This is Davey from the New Trader, and this is Marie. And let's see what we do today. This market is really looking like sideways, pretty much. It didn't went too high from yesterday. It went a little bit higher, but like literally like $2, I guess, if I am referring to a SPY. So we have to keep in mind that today we have Witching Day. So Witching Day is a third Friday of each month. And what happened this third Friday is that the options for that month expire the third Friday of each month. So basically, due to the expirations of those options, the market experienced a little higher volatility during power hour, which is after 3 p.m. So due to the adjustment, like, oh, I need to cover my options, so I have to buy or I have to sell shares. So hedging those positions is what create like a spike on volatility during the last hour of the market for the Friday. So, but yeah, that's it that I have to announce, like for everybody to heads up at the end of the day. But more than that, we are doing pretty good. So how are you doing, Marie, today?
I am doing well, Davey. Guess what?
Nice.
It's Friday.
It's Friday. We are happy because it's Friday. Actually, like I mean, I was telling Marie, like I used to say, like I don't know why people get happy when it's Friday because I don't know. Like I mean, I just don't know.
Now you know.
Now I'm loving Fridays so much that it's like, man, I only have to pass 30 years old and then I understood. But no, because it's true. Like I was still working, and let's say what 27, 28 years old, and it's like I don't get why people are so happy for Fridays. Like no, counterintuitive to me. But now my friend, I'm there. So
welcome in our group.
yeah.
Nice to see you here.
So what can you tell me, lady?
Well, if we're looking at SPY,
Yeah, spy, spy.
so when looking at SPY, so SPY is above the VWAP. It did have a significant pullback yesterday, right? So we are looking at again yesterday. If I look at this, it did not go to the all-time high, but yesterday it went pretty high as well. So when I'm looking at this here, I can't even see. That's it. What I that's 695.38. Is that what you've got? As a high on SPY yesterday.
Yesterday it was a 695.45. That's what I have. That's yesterday high.
Okay. 695.45. Perfect. So
Which is quite high. It's very close. It's very
for
close to all-time
sure.
highs.
It's
So
very
we have
close
to watch out for
all-time
that
high.
one. But like yeah.
Absolutely. When we're looking at right now, like SPY in the 1 minute, we are looking at above the VWAP, above all the indicators. So the PCL, the VWAP, the anchor VWAP, the 200.
But that's just right now, right?
That's just right now. So
Okay.
right
Let's
now,
clarify because the pre-market was very crappy.
we experienced quite a pullback. Now, when we're looking at the tape is looking like it would like to use the 693 price to be a support when we're looking at the tape. So 393 seems to be a support. Now, funny enough, when we're looking to the offer, we're looking to the offer to the, I guess one of the highest price that's there is 695.10. But right now, not crazy numbers there.
By any chance, do you remember what price did I say was going to be the high of yesterday? And like, look at that thing. It just went.
Oh my God! Look at that. Like how much did it cross it? Like it's almost dead on, isn't it?
It went off by roughly 24 cents.
Wow. On SPY.
Yeah.
What the great numbers.
Yeah, that's the. But let's see. Like today, I don't want to contaminate myself too much with those levels, so I'm gonna start from scratch. So I mean, when I say start from scratch, it's basically I'm gonna look what is the closest level for SPY. So on the, I know the level you gave me, like 693, but like, let's see where I have my own levels. And so I had a little short I held on INTC overnight. So let's see what that bad boy wants to do today. But INTC have been exceptionally bullish for the last week. So
So INTC right now, low on volume and low on, well, you know, it's got an R-vol of 300 of,
yeah, 300 translate to
340.
like 8%, 80% by the open. Now I have the gauge in there because Zach was asking me the other day. So yeah, as Zach was asking me, like now I know 300% pre-market is roughly 80% at the open. So that's lower volume than expected. Well, lower volume than the average volume for the last 10 days. So yeah. So for SPY, I don't want to distract you too much with the stocks. I know you are trading futures. So if you don't mind, like stick to your futures, and I don't want to.
54.89 on the Qs.
Which actually, with what I'm doing right now, I can give you exactly my prices for SPY because there is not a trade for the open on SPY right now. And if they will have any value for you, well, then you can capture you can observe them at least through the week, through the day.
Okay, what would be your levels on SPY?
My levels on SPYs are like very clear right now. They are very defined. They are still the same level than yesterday, at least for the stepping up. So I have it's like a short at 695.30. 695.30. I'm gonna have to go in a bigger time frame. There we go. 695. There we go. So that's what I have as a top for SPY right now. It's only two lines, so I only gonna be the like what I consider the bottom and the top.
Your bottom is?
The possible bottom and the possible top.
Okay, so the possible top for you is 695.30.
Yeah.
Okay, so the level here would be 695.70, so very close. And
so toward the downside is 691.70. I know it's quite far, but that's
691.80.
So yeah, very close to. So how I will rule those if I have to take a trade on a SPY, let's say. Like if I want to be like the most disciplined trader possible, like let's say I am not, I understand if I want to be, I wouldn't take a short unless it go to 695.30, and I wouldn't take a long unless it go to 691.71. And like you shouldn't break for more than $1 on any of those. Like $1 is a lot normally, but on a SPY, like in SPY, it's not that bad because it's a $600 ticket. But yeah. Okay, so right now, really in the center of the range. That's why I say I kind of don't have a trade for it right now.
And when we're looking at my volume profile that I have in Top Step,
Zach is there. I'm sorry, Zach. We hello?
Hello.
Hey, how are you doing, my guy?
Pretty good, pretty good.
Nice.
Do you hear me well?
Yes, I hear you perfectly.
Nice.
So I'm gonna do the same for INTC as yeah, INTC.
So Marie, you were saying that you have volume profile on Top Step. You're using the fixed one?
volume.
Fixed range volume profile?
You say how much?
You're using the fixed range volume
Yes.
profile?
Yes.
Okay. So, how are you placing it? Just
So
The
right
month?
now, when I've got the price action that I have at this moment would seem that it has absolutely, maybe I'll change my time frame for at least 5. So right now the volume profile seems to be bullish. The RSI seems to be a positive one, so very strong. And that's in the 5. I don't understand. Yeah, no, I don't. So for today, what time frame are you using?
for what?
So the volume profile doesn't change in the time frame, correct?
No, it doesn't change.
Okay. So I've got 69999 as the top. And you?
I don't have the volume profile on Upstep. I
Oh,
only have it on Spy. Yeah. Because on Spy, because I have TradingView, I pay for TradingView. My volume profile is placing itself like right when I can say 1 day or 1 month it is placing.
the same.
And those levels, like yesterday, I see the rest of the day, like, touch one level, touch the other. When broke one, then come back to the same one. Broke,
Okay.
then came down to one level. Went up, like, so let's go.
So you're in a long?
No, and nothing. So Trump peak at 10.
So what are you interested in?
I have a trade here that is not going good, so I have to wrap it up.
Look at that candle. The volume candle
Mm-hmm.
in the buy.
Yeah, the second candle was super, a lot of volume in the buy side.
Mm-hmm.
Like I see that on my footprint.
What time did you say that Trump is talking?
And
Okay.
Wow. Haven't seen that in a while. The bid's being pulled on SPY.
what does that mean to you?
Eh?
Yeah. Yeah.
What does that mean for you?
For me, when the bid is being pulled, well, for me, it's you don't have any more buyers.
It looks short.
Mm-hmm. The buyers are not interested as much right now. And we're probably
I
gonna
tried
start.
this position.
You
I
what?
tried position short. I went short, small. And because I see a lot of absorption too.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see if BWAP is gonna be able to catch it. Like I have to be careful because last time I only traded until 10. I 2.5 hours down, so
Mm.
I was trying too much to get a good trade before going. So let's see.
What is Google doing? Hey. Ay, ay. It's bleeding quite a lot, Google.
Oh, really? Eh?
Yeah. Did you got? No, you haven't got any trade. I haven't heard the voice.
Hmm?
I haven't heard the voice saying like.
Beep beep. Order field. Okay. So we've got. We're going. It seems like a push is being built here.
Like if you lose a lot, that voice is gonna give you PTSD. I remember doing like something else on internet and hearing order field, and I'm like, oh no, that means I got set off. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna go up maybe, but
My concern with those going up is that we spent.
It seems like it's building. Yes. Sorry, Davey?
No, good. That is spent too long. During the pre-market, we were too long
There we go,
below
there it
those
is.
levels.
Mm-hmm.
But for sure, it's still far from resistance.
There it is. Okay, so squeeze up and then there's nobody.
This is how it feels like.
Here it is. We'll see if that candle. It's almost.
I can do.
It's a almost higher high, but it's not there yet.
Yeah, it touched by the penny my level
Okay.
that it touched before. So that level is holding good. Just need to break view up for the tank, I guess. A lot of sell volume on the footprint. Go break future view up.
Baila como Juana la cubana.
A big fight there, like it's having trouble both ways.
Highest volume.
Yeah, it's really having trouble with the futures VWAP. VWAP is under. Future is bouncing off of it. The stochastic is curling down.
The tail on the map is great. You can see it. The tail seems to be red on the map, but like it's gray now. We cannot see it. Let's see. Basically, meaning like
I don't know.
the overall market seems to be going down compared to the main. Like if I have to gauge, it's holding a bit more in the biggest cap. Like Nvidia right now is pushing quite high toward the 190. 190.33, something like that. So.
Okay, let's go. The pop's gonna happen.
That's,
You're what?
the last candle was kind of bullish.
All right, so let's see. Yeah, Nvidia is incredibly bullish right now.
Yeah, I got out. It's moving in my favor now.
I was going to say, here you go, moving the market again.
So for the contracts, like for the thing you guys are trading, basically, for me to go let's say I told you that I have a clear idea for the short or the long. So in the contracts, like for the future, it will be the yesterday, like it will be the 7,016 to go short.
I don't think it's gonna get to there.
Yeah, me neither. One, two, that will be the bottom of the second candle.
Stalling, price stalling. Really are in trouble there.
Yeah, and 6,083 for going long. Is that correct? Maybe that's incorrect. That's pre-marked.
I should have kept my short.
Yeah, no kidding. Very chop. The range is different today. Dang. Hmm? Okay, approaching my level of entry. For long, we will see what the indicators are going to say to us. You should have kept the short.
Yeah. I flip long from my level, so yeah.
I got the long right there for the futures.
Mine is not
Are you
there
trading
yet.
on top step or?
Top
Not yet.
step, yeah, not yet. No, not top step. Trading view.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so
But I have
right
done already
there.
some of the work for top step. So Monday we're gonna have top step live.
You're gonna start with a 50,000?
Yes.
So there was big absorption in the bottom of the candle, so that's a good entry, I guess. Bit of a high price for me. Oh yeah. And did you pay for live on top step or on the trading view?
No, no. That's why in trading view is a little bit funky. But I am looking at the live data, so I'm taking it when it's there in the live data.
Look at that candle push.
You know what is funny? I'm using the level for the. I forgot that I say I'm not looking at the level for the SPY. I will be looking at the level of the actual contract because it's the actual product that is like if it's inflated or not, the volume will be still at the right price
You're looking at the level from where?
for the contract, for the actual contract.
So on the future?
Yeah. Like
Yeah, but from what I see, the level on SPY is way better.
okay.
Like, what I do is like I put all the levels and I see like how it bounced the next day when I was researching it, and on the futures it's not the same.
Okay.
I took a partial on the top.
Nice.
I did as well.
Here comes the money. I'm sorry. I
Me
guess I'm
gusta.
excited because it's Friday, huh?
Hey, I like it. I like it.
Man, I'm risking 200 in the futures to make 1,325. It's, I put the order right away, so if we get there, it's a 1 to 5, I guess. Yeah, 1 to 5. Roughly 1 to 6. 1 to 6 is actually. Here comes the money. That should be interesting to see what happened at the end of the day with those contracts. Because it's for sure they get very affected a lot. Like,
With the witching?
yeah, they are part of the. Do they expire monthly SAC too as well, right?
They just follow SPY, I guess. It's not like options.
No, they expire, my guy. Like, I had the old contract. Like, I was trading an old contract, and I couldn't trade it because then they say the contract is expired.
Yeah, but those ES,
Mm-hmm.
ETF of the contract, they don't expire. I don't know if the contract expires maybe.
I think you are wrong, my guy. So let's check it out.
Maybe I'm wrong.
Because Maria and I were reading about it when, like last week,
Mm-hmm.
and it's still a right of a X amount of shares for a X amount of price that you are paying for. It's different than options for sure, but like those future contracts expire. Like, I don't know if you were in the group of that. Angel also said the same thing. Yeah, future contracts have a limited lifespan that will influence the outcome of your trade and strategy. The two most important expiration terms are expiration and rollover. Uh, okay,
So Monday the
you're on vacation Monday?
No,
Sorry, what?
they're closed. The market's closed Monday.
Look at you.
Sorry? Yeah, 19.
My guy, you know what is the only difference between a contract in the future and a contract in the option? Ay,
What?
ay, ay. You see how in options you have the right but not the obligation?
Mm-hmm. I got the obligation with the.
In future you have the obligation of. So futures participants are forced to exercise their contracts.
Mm. Mm-hmm.
Futures involve symmetry. First time I hear somebody saying symmetry before than me. Yeah, after me. Like you never hear anybody talking about symmetric trades.
No.
But this thing is saying like a future have a future involve a symmetric, potentially unlimited risk reward ratio, unless a daily margin calls, whereas options have defined risk for buyers because of the premium pay,
Mm-hmm.
and follow more flexible timing for exercise, making them suitable for different trading style and risk. Oh wait, nice. Short answer: yes, they have they do follow it. Ooh, this trade is gonna get me out.
I'm out.
Yeah, like of course, like I took that shot there because there is a level, but like it's not their level. Marie's waiting for the good level, which is at 6,000. Let's see how close we are. You have a clear price where you wanna go long?
Right now,
No.
the buyers are gone.
And Mr. Trump is gonna grab the mic in 7 minutes, 6 minutes to be precise. So.
So SPY made a lower low, do I believe, right, for today?
Yes. No, buy the penny, not yet. Buy the penny.
I don't know yet.
It's right there.
Lower low, buy big time. Yeah, I
Damn it.
didn't. It's just that with that lower low, like, is there a retracement for SPY to the VWAP?
Let's clap a bit. Marie haven't taken one trade today,
I did take one.
but not in the futures.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
I didn't hear order fill.
Yeah.
Did he say it?
Eh?
He say order.
No, it didn't say.
You remove it. You
I
mute it.
reduced it.
You mute it.
I
That was
reduced
it. Okay. I was like, look at her holding back.
That's good.
Okay. It's approaching my level. And SPY is approaching the VWAP.
My concern with the SPY was that like this green line here is the 200 moving average,
Mm-hmm.
and like the 200 actually, and it was spending too long below the 200 moving average before the pre-market. So why was it popping up so much? That looks like a bull trap. So doesn't mean it's gonna work, but like let's see. It's manifesting right now toward the downside.
So it's approaching one of my levels. There's no more
What's up, buddy?
buyers. Like, holy cannoli, we are in sell heaven. But,
You need to take a bath this weekend.
yay!
Don't listen to her. This conversation is between you and I. Ay, ay, ay.
That's funny.
So, my guy, you sleep better yesterday too, huh?
Mm-hmm.
You sleep
You
better
slept
yesterday,
better?
huh?
Yeah, it's better. Yeah.
Nice.
I'm trying a risky trade.
Okay.
I'm going long. Really tight stop loss.
Okay. On a SPY? Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
I,
Just watch out because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 candle red toward the downside on a SPY. With the volume ramping up little by little as Mr. Trump is gonna be grabbing the microphone in 2 minutes and a half.
Yeah,
So,
my stop loss is like at it's a $30 risk. So
okay.
okay. So right now we're looking at a drop, and it keeps dropping in the RSI. I don't know why I would need a little bit of intravenous coffee. Okay, we're starting to see a little bit of buys here.
Yeah, I see that.
You see it?
Yeah, INTC, some buyers at 48.10 precisely. So for Nvidia, let's see Nvidia. Nvidia is giving away a lot. Like it broke the VWAP and it's trying to go
Yeah,
down
I'm
again.
Good job. Keeping it tight.
SPY is interacting with the PCL right now. So right there, PCL
Did you
4.
see that? A wick.
Yeah, it wicked by the penny. And
big instruction too. $13,000 volume down, and it's not breaking.
all right, all right.
But I'm out. My stop loss was kind of tight, so
Nice.
it breaks. I'm done for the day. I need to go, but
Oh, sure, I remember.
yeah, I guess
Okay.
a bit of a red week, but like by less than 1 hour, like half an hour.
Are you kidding
Oh,
me?
good control.
That's very good.
Very good control, Zach.
Yeah, and, yeah. I guess no trading on Monday, but
Yeah, Monday's closed.
Okay. Thank you for letting me know,
Tuesday.
guys.
yeah. Bye bye.
Bye.
Take care. Have
good
a
one,
great weekend.
You too, guys.
Thanks.
Bye.
Nobody is on SPY anymore. Wow. Okay, so it's approaching my level. You?
Yes, it's right there. My level is at 691.69.
Mm-hmm.
And if I have to check the futures for that one, it will be in the futures. It's quite far yet, unless this thing just freeze, which it looks like. But like I say, yeah, for some reason my future data is not coming through. I will reset this thing. So let's see. I'm gonna have to try to install a something to track my internet. Since, yeah, since yesterday it seems to be doing a funny weird thing. So Nvidia pretty much giving away all the move. So yeah, that will be the loan for
Yep.
SPY, assuming that it will work. But if it doesn't hold, watch out. Like don't take a loss on it. It doesn't worth it.
super tight top stop loss.
Nice level for sure.
I'm gonna. I took a partial there. We're gonna see at the VWAP if I'm gonna be coming out completely.
Money talk.
Here comes the money.
Yalla.
So the sellers are still there. A little bit of a battle there. We're doing good with the bottom. I still have 80% of my position.
Nice.
And the buyers are coming in. Let's go. Let's go. Now we're talking. Hey, Davey. We analyzed things good this morning.
Yeah. The end of the week for sure, but yeah.
No, but it's not only that. I'm going to be honest with you. It's a, yeah, so right there. I might be taking another one. Let's see. What's the profile looking like?
Like being very
RSI
honest,
is
for
still
me
good.
having a tough week, you know?
It has been a tough week, yes.
Like I won't complain too much, but like man, it was a tough week for sure.
Hmm. I agree with you. Well, in my case, it was a tough week for several things, but the new,
Yeah, the new
starting
setup
on
threw you out a
Monday,
bit,
the
yeah.
new setup, the pressure of the new setup, it has been a different and difficult, but yeah.
We gonna pop, pop,
We're always tempted in a consolidated level to be taking partial. But when you're doing like Davey does and stop watching it,
Yeah, well, make sure you know how much is enough for you in there because I do not expect it to go all the way up.
So it could be close. We'll see when Spy's going to get to the VWAP. So it got past 10. I'm not sure if we had some positive. Man, she's good. Okay, so right there, we definitely found a lot of sellers. I'm just going to look at the print a little bit, see what's going out. Holy cannoli.
You're doing good, huh?
Yeah, I'm just cold.
Cold?
I'm always cold. Even at home, to tell you the truth, because we've got Chip there, and Chip's got a fur. That's a lot of hair on that dog. Very, very thick hair on that dog.
You see? Watch out there, you know.
Like you said, right there.
Yeah, it's just like the level is too compromising toward the downside. So I know that Trump was talking a little bit ago. I don't know if you have in your ear something that he's saying.
No, not yet.
But it's like, you know, Friday, long weekend, I don't see many people holding for the weekend. Especially with the sketchiness of...
Of course, right?
yeah, so
So
just watch
SPY's
out.
at the PCL right now. I might just get out completely right here.
But regardless, my executions, like let's say, like what did we say? Like when he hit that level, is when we will go long. When we hit that level, is where that we will go short. Did we expect it to hit the level? How far it was?
No.
No. So
Never.
like one of the two always will manifest. It's just like I don't know how many times we have said we keep limiting the move with our
It's
thinking.
true, right?
And
Good
just
point.
do whatever you want to do, you know, like it's just, especially on a witching day, it's like those moves are very possible.
Oh, funny. Well, that is funny. If you want to go mute.
Huh?
If you want to go mute, something's funny.
Okay, just give me a second.
So when we're looking, okay, we've got a doji that formed in the future. Wow, that's a little bit crazy. And when we're looking at SPY right now, interacting with the PCL.
We gonna pop the remote.
Okay, so I'm out.
You partial glued at least?
Hmm?
Did you partial good at least?
Yes.
Man. No one could get going back in there. What's up? You want me to comb your hair? That's the part that shouldn't happen.
I'm
That just happened there. He went there and he made a lower low. That's not nice.
no. I'm thinking that I want to reverse. We'll see. But when I'm looking
Notice
at the
that it
next
didn't even
level, it's going to be 960.
If you evaluate the relative strength of the SPY, notice that it wasn't able to reach the VWAP, though we pushed with a lot of momentum from that important level. So selling might be a little bit heavier. So let's see. Gonna be golden. Whoa. All right, so I'm gonna check if we have any news, if there's any number that
Or
is relevant.
anybody, yeah, if somebody grabbed a mic.
Yeah, like ce n'est pas facile, mon ami. Oui, d'accord, non, pas, pas. So, Mary, do you have any good stories? Something that you would like to tell me? No, I don't have anything
No,
to
I
tell
don't
you.
have anything.
You know, I don't have good stories. Come on, Marie. You were like, you are good telling stories. That's what you told me.
No, I never told you that.
Yeah, before we decide to become friends, you say I was good telling a story. And I say, okay, now I have a
You're
good friend.
good.
That will be good to tell me so nice stories and like things
You're good saying stories. You're excellent. You do the voice and everything.
All right, so SPY is trying to go back up to the VWAP. I don't think he's gonna be able to. But like, let's see. It's weird. Like you try it once, you didn't get it. Now it's pushing up a little bit more clean. Like it's for sure it's pushing up a little bit more clean. Like it took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 candle to get to whatever he got. And now it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's almost there. So I still don't think he's gonna make it, but like let's see. Basically, my gauge here is like this is a nice push, like, and it didn't pierce it by a lot. But the second time it made a lower low, and like yeah, price action Friday. You don't wanna be funny without, you know.
Yeah.
So the second time it shouldn't pierce it by much.
Are you spinning?
Me?
Are you spinning on me?
Yeah, Dumbo is intense today, man. Like, he's very emotional. Emotional damage. All right. So this trade that I have on INTC, I have to put a line on the sound on that one. You know, it's working good, but I have some expectations from it. That's a for sure.
Wow, I flipped my position there and that was beautiful.
Haha. Look at you, lady. Look at you. We only hire good traders here, you know.
Ah, you're funny. Me gusta. He is the boss. He's
I
a
know,
good
I
boss,
know
but
the boss.
some days. No, you're a good boss.
Like you are a good boss, but part-time.
No. You're a full-time boss. Exceptional. That it would not be. So, no, you're full-time.
I'm not the boss here.
It's Friday, so I'm not going to.
You're not going to argue. Look at you being smart. Pure joke, people. You know, I love Marie, so it's just we are bad at making jokes sometimes.
Oh, you're funny.
Ay.
Okay, so their SPY did not do a lower low. We do have some buyers, but man, are they not big?
This makes no sense, but hey, who am I to say that?
What doesn't make any sense, maybe?
What doesn't make any sense is that my level, like right now I have INTC short, and if modern market provide a little bit more downside, I have a level like at 45.70. So that's what I say that doesn't make any sense. So, but who am I to limit the move of the market? You know, we learn to not do that here. We try to learn to not do that. So
We try. It's not easy.
It's not easy.
It's not easy
to be
because
my friend.
obviously we're not on the floor. It's not easy, especially when you see and you've got such strong levels and you say, well, no, you know, like it hadn't been there since. So, yeah, it's not always easy, but and there are days, to tell you, to be very honest, there's days that, oh mon Dieu, you need the patience, but that's when you don't have it,
Yeah,
right?
it's It is just weird, you know. It's like it's very discretionary at the end of the day, but that's why we are discretionary traders. Like you took your decision based on whatever you believe. But like,
But what's difficult, because I agree with you, but what's difficult too, Davey, is to stick on our plans. So, like you said this morning, I'm not going to go long until,
mm-hmm.
and I'm not going to go short until. But we also, with that discipline, we need to look at the market and say, okay, well, what are the conditions today? And as you said, to pop to that level, you know, right now, SPY did not even test the VWAP. So to pop to that level and say, hey, it's going to reach in the time frame that we are trading, it's going to go to 695.50 or 696.13. That the level that we may have. We need to reconsider. Right now, yeah.
You know what is the problem that I have with that?
Mm-hmm.
That in that reconsideration that you are talking about, we have a tendency to make too much mistakes.
Correct.
So we get a little bit
I
too
would
foggy
get.
when that happens. And like,
Flippy.
that's why I'm
right?
a friend of never flipping. Like, well, never flipping. I do flippy eventually, but like, I don't like it because the memories I have is that I make a lot of mistakes. So
Glad I flipped.
hey, hey, hey.
Uh, Okay, so we definitely found buyers there. Is it a smoker?
Oh.
I like that song.
Wow, see. That will be a solution. Y todo por eso estás cantando.
I'm gonna move my stop loss to at least take some profit. I am not going to.
Refresh.
Okay, so I've got my stop out to be able to stop out with at least another hour. Wow,
What happened?
great pullback. Okay. Okay, SPY is tanking to. Let's go. Wow. Okay, so this is good. This is really, really good. So right now I've got my stop loss at 1 hour.
Minus 1 hour or 1 hour positive?
Positive.
Nice.
I'm just trying to look if there's even somewhat of a visible. Wow. You know the level that you had on the futures?
Mhm.
And the same with SPY? Guess who's going to get that level? It's you?
It's already passed through.
691?
It's already passed through.
Mm-hmm. But then you said you had another one that was lower than that.
Yeah.
And we said, hey, there's no way it's going to get to that. Well,
I
guess
always gonna
what?
have a lower one, but like,
But look, it's.
yeah, right now if you keep going the way it's going, it can go 689.73.
And guess what position is there? 689.70. Okay, so we found right there.
I have 689.72. That's the price I have. I just put the line right now.
Okay.
It's funny because I put my order to go all out on INTC,
Mm.
but my head is saying it won't get there. You know, it won't get there. But I say,
Well, it's the same. For when you did SPY this morning, it's dirt. What you talking about? That's so low. That's so far. That's so. And here we are.
if INTC get there, probably it's gonna be the biggest week for me of this month. This month we are January, yeah, of the month, yeah, for sure. But let's see.
Wow, going to the next level. Incroyable. Going to your 89.
I'll be back. I just gonna close that
Close
vent
that
because
vent,
it's making a lot of noise. It sounds like a horror movie. Boo!
Wow. How cool. Okay, so we found a little bit of buy there, but it's gonna go to that level, Davey. Mm.
Let's up the mo.
Wow. Wow. Excuse me. What are you?
I'm just looking at SPY and my INTC. Like, guys, look at SPY basically. It's like, what's going on there, you know? Hostia, tío.
So I've got 20% of my position left as it's approaching a strong level here. Because you have been in bull, you have to leave this one. Okay.
Do you have a trade yet?
Oh yeah.
You have the short?
Yeah. But I only have 20% right there, and I put it at the top. It did not get me out by a penny. And right now, we're doing well. I'm managing my risk very well while I'm moving it. I know I've got a trailing one anyways, but
That's
I'm
why
trying
you are
to.
the boss.
Eh?
That's why you are the boss.
Yeah, right. I'm trying to identify where I do not want the trade to go,
Yeah.
and then putting my stop loss just above there, so that I'm able to not break even but keep some profit.
What is your accuracy today?
Let me go see. It should be high, but I don't know. Let's go see.
Higher.
Yeah, one more. The day win?
81.
82. Yeah, 81.8.
82, yeah. Pretty good, actually.
Mm-hmm.
Nice, nice, nice. I like your equity curve.
What? It's like a bird taking flight.
Ay, ay, ay.
Still hot there?
Not as much. This time it's just me being me. So, all good. La 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 la, la 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 la.
Wow.
Do you know that you don't have to do that anymore?
No, I know. It's more to, I want to send to.
To whom? Got it. Got it.
So I am going to just 2 seconds.
Yeah, for sure. Wow, it is minus 21. Very cool.
I believe someone wants to go out. Is that okay?
Yes, for sure. Thank you.
Oh, but no, I'm not going upstairs, Julie. If you want to go up, it's okay. You want to go out?
He probably doesn't want to go out. It's like minus 21.
I know, right? It was so cold.
Like, I guess today we're gonna have to start our car earlier.
Oh, this was nice, eh? This was nice. Me getting out of there.
Mm-hmm.
Oof, oof, oof. That was good trading. So.
Yeah, this trade I have, I pretty much probably are gonna hold it for the rest of the day. Like, it just makes no sense to not hold it. At least to me, like for now. So
For the long?
I
Yeah.
have a short on INTC, and
Oh, wow.
the special reason for that is because I think it's at 3 is that this thing is gonna get spicy. Before 3, I don't think it's gonna go too far. But at 3 p.m., I think because of the power hour in the witching day, it's a good reason to go lower and lower. So, well, lower and lower. It could be higher. I just don't know where it's gonna go. But let's say just like if my direction is correct in the longer term, at that time is that it will manifest. So, you know.
You the best.
What was that? Did you say anything? No?
Yeah. You the best. You the best.
Would you consider that your trades today had very low risk?
Yes.
I feel it. Like I saw you taking your trade and like, that's good.
No, I did feel more quiet. It's more patient and more quiet. So the discipline was better. The fact as well, I think that we took time to compare, analyze our levels today and say, hey, you know what? Won't go there, won't go here, shouldn't. And so, yeah, I felt
More in control.
more in control, even to trust or know a little bit more how to read the new platform, how to be comfortable with it. What do I want to see? I'm still learning. So, that being said, I believe that we need to. Ooh, sellers. I believe that we need to be a little bit, in my case, I need to be more cautious and really manage my risk well. Because as you said, it doesn't take much to blow your account
Yeah, well, it's
when you're trading futures, right? So,
your buying power that talk a lot in there.
mm-hmm. Okay, so here it's at one of my levels as well to the possible going long. But I need to look and see what happens at that candle. That level right there.
I'm expecting a SPY to have problem in this 691.70 because that's a clear level of resistance right now. That was one of those supports that become resistance, so let's see if it does manifest like that or not. And if I am correct about that, it shouldn't pierce it by too much. So let's see. It is trying to go through. RSI is above the 50, so let's see.
So SPY is getting really, really close to the VWAP.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yay. Okay, well, you're not working well. That's why I let you go yesterday, because you had trouble with your microphone.
Whom? The guys? With that much money that they make, how the heck does he have problem with the microphone? You know?
Right?
Whatever. Ooh la la.
And how are your levels going?
Right there. Right there.
Mm-hmm. Right?
Dead on by the penny.
So this weekend,
It's a very intense weekend, but it's okay.
really? Why?
Remember I told you we're gonna go to do some shopping or anything like that?
Oh, yeah, but
And like,
is there more, or?
yeah, I don't remember right now, but like, I wanna help a subscriber with technical issue that he have with his computer, and that was one thing. But yeah, I don't remember the other things, but I know like, but I know like as I told you, like it's not gonna be bad. Like we have a schedule also resting, you know, so it's gonna be good. It's gonna be a good weekend for sure. The only problem is gonna be a lot of snow. Like we're supposed to have a lot of snow until Sunday, if I'm not mistaken. So a lot of snow. There is a orange alert. You saw that?
Mm-hmm.
So and yeah.
Yep. Should be interesting.
I think I have to plan to buy another computer, but like I see I have to plan it as I say. It's, this bad boy is not doing good. But I'm demanding a lot from my computer, so it's understandable. It's like, yeah. This have been the computer that I have been squeezing the most of it, like resources wise. It's like,
It's a lot.
yeah.
It's got wide shoulders.
Yeah, it's like what happened. Like I will tell you like later, but like yesterday, it did a failure in something in the worst moment possible. So it's
During your streaming?
but not any streaming. Like I will explain to you later. It's just like no, not now. And yeah, but yeah, that cannot happen.
That cannot happen.
Mm-mm.
You cannot do that.
Don't do that to me.
I don't blame you. Yeah, Chip goes nuts every time I come into the door. Guess he smells Dumbo.
Mm-hmm. I think his vaccines is one of those things that I have to make sure if I don't do it this weekend, I have to schedule it for next one.
Well, because
No, his vaccine is in February, like it's every February.
okay.
So we are not February yet, but he can take it. Like
Oh, for sure.
I will schedule it for the same time than last year, so it's gonna be February again. Dun-dun. Had a long time that I didn't see let's see G well here. Like this is a company that I was looking at very long ago, and this thing went from like I'm glad I never tried anything related to this. Like this one, yeah. What was the pricing? Actually, I'm wrong. Probably I will make some money on that. Have a note for the price that was interesting for me, but like the volume on that stock is dead.
Okay.
Like it spent days without moving less than 0.0%.
Really? And this is 0.0%.
Yeah, I moved like 0.001,
Okay?
something like that. But like it's so minor that the software doesn't register it. I see a SPY keep trying to go back up. You got that one right?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Nice.
Nice!
Yeah, this
Pushing
time it
through
did
the
get to the
VWAP.
VWAP. We have the 200 moving average for the 5 minute at 692.70. So let's see how that 692.70 does.
Okay, so it's approaching an important level. Oh God, going through. You're kidding me? You are kidding me. Well, guess who's going to be moving its stop loss?
You don't have to go in the exactly. Oop.
Here you go, $6.
Nice, nice, nice.
And when it's going to get a 1.5 R, I'm going to move it again to keep 0.5.
Nice, you're doing good today.
Maybe.
You are doing good. Good patient, lady. Good patient. She's not convinced of that.
Not convinced of that. Not convinced of that. Okay, I moved it to keep half an hour.
Oh yeah. This bad boy keep going down, while the SPY is going higher. You know.
INTC?
Yeah.
Still, it's not at all, correlated?
No, it's not. And the reason why I flipped from Nvidia to INTC is because you hear me yesterday or before yesterday saying I shouldn't be trading Nvidia because at the price it is. Look, it's at the same price, exactly the same price. Look at my lines. So it's trapping there. So in my volume analysis, I am kind of
Wow,
able to
look at
determine
that, yeah.
which one of them will move more,
Mm-hmm.
and that's why I took INTC. But like doing that in INTC in this specific case represent a problem because INTC is in a bullish streak. So in that bullish streak, I don't have much data to which level I want to go short.
I know what
So
you mean. Mm-hmm.
that was the little hiccup in there with it, but like,
You did very well.
yeah, still like doing good. Of course, I took more risk. That's a for sure.
Should be looking to see if somebody grabbed on my. Okay. Uh,
What happened?
well, I was trying to see if I could find anywhere. I'm gonna just look to see if we've got some.
Look at the prices of those things.
Holy cannoli.
I'm so poor.
You're funny.
I'm gonna have to do something, but not that heavy. Like that's too much. It's like hell. But yeah. Yeah, yesterday was going to be that night of the spike. And it's just like, damn,
Last night was the night of spike,
of the spike.
and it just went.
It crashed like 20 minutes.
Not good.
So bad that I thought that it crashed because of the spike. But
You didn't get the spike.
it was getting it. Like All right, so Nvidia still trapping there, and let's see how we do. INTC is doing good. Nvidia trappish. I don't know why it's still doing the way it's doing, but like we have Apple, Meta, Microsoft, and Tesla still under the water. So
Microsoft, so when we're looking, let's do a little sector map. We still
Mhm.
have about
yeah,
7.
thank you. Let's do that. That's I
Yeah,
think
so
that's
we've
about
got, when we're looking, it's a mix, but technology is definitely probably one of the strongest there. So we've got Microsoft, Nvidia, Broadcom, AMD, MU, all green today.
Mhm.
And then when we're looking, Amazon, Tesla, Google, so it's literally the reverse of yesterday again. So yesterday we saw that Google was green, Amazon was green, Apple was trying to pull up, and Nvidia was red. Now it's flipped today.
Have you noticed that we have a long time without talking about sector rotation? Basically, because sector rotation have become the new normal. But like,
Right?
do you feel like it will be like that? I don't know. Like we have to do deeper analysis to be able to say those things.
Well, the reason
But,
that I say you could be right is that, you know, when we're looking at the top volumes
Mm-hmm.
in the morning, and we're looking at the top RVOL as well, relative
Yes.
volumes, these companies don't show up.
But that's normal. That's because of the airflow. Like for you to see Tesla printing, let's say like
Yes, but when, you know, there's mornings that when it is in the,
sorry.
we literally for weeks on end go that in the top 10, we're going to have NVIDIA, we're going to have Apple, we're going to have Tesla. We're going to have like Google that might be, you know, top 10, top 12. Like, not even close. We're not even close. Okay, so right now, that's my level.
Like, I think
SPY
that-
is interacting and actually pulling back from the 200 EMA. Go for it.
Yeah,
Sorry.
just like basing like or like confirming what you say. Like basically like today, specifically today, like I have nothing trading below average volume. Like for example, Nvidia is 115, INTC is 148, BBAI 120, SMCI is 325, Tesla is 110, Riot is 439. So everything is above 100. So technically, we have a high relative volume for everything, but like not by much. Basically, what I'm saying is like I don't see 500 there. Like 400 is Riot, but like we don't know what is going on in Riot. I don't trade Riot
Exactly.
normally, so
And when we're looking, when you're looking at the top R balls, we've got Riot, PPL, VST, SMCI, ASTS, NVO, CFR. Like, we're not talking, and then we're looking at top volumes. NVIDIA and INTC, top 2. And that's not big volumes that we're seeing there.
yeah, exactly. Like that's what I'm saying. It's
Like,
like,
yeah.
yes, it's above average, but like not to go crazy on it.
Saving their bullets, and let's remember we're closed on Monday, right?
Right? Yeah.
Saving their bullets for the power hour.
That's what the guys are doing.
No, I'm just throwing things out there.
It looks like
Spaghetti.
if I'm gonna be out of my trade before power hour, but like let's see.
Throwing spaghetti to the wall. Look at this MCI.
I moved my order 3 cents up just to front run my exit because you know, maybe it's gonna be a crowded level probably.
Okay, so SPY is going to be interacting with the 200 EMA shortly. And the RSI is almost at the 50.
INTC is holding well the 47. Like there was a, I actually have a line there, so because I liked that before, but that level is not as strong anymore.
47?
47.00. It's very crowded here, we can see that, but it's crowded below the 47.
New consolidation level at the 47?
Probably, yeah.
Because this week it's been very, very bullish. Okay, buyers are in control, and look at that. Did you want to wrap it up?
Yeah, just give me a second.
Absolutely.
Sorry about that. Yeah, basically, we are doing pretty good today. I probably need to kill that trade soon, but like I have an order there. I have no rush about it because it is already quite far from my entry. But yeah, let's see how we do. I have an order to be all out at 45.80. So because it's the price I think it can go to today. So especially during power hour. But yeah, so I didn't touch Nvidia today, and I'm glad that I didn't touch Nvidia because Nvidia went all the way up and then all the way down, and then it just stayed chopping around at the same levels that I have been talking the whole week. Like I decided to walk away 2 days ago, like, or I have been talking about walking away from 2 days ago from Nvidia because of the choppiness of it. But I finally did it yesterday. So yeah, more than that, like let's see how we. Like the key element for my trading today is at what price I'm gonna be coming out of this INTC, and like there is where I need to be efficient. That's why I held the trade. That's why I follow my plan theoretically. So let's just see if we follow it correctly by the end of the day. So yeah, more than that, like I did pretty well today, though I didn't took any executions during the morning show. So, but yeah, that's it for me. Yeah, let's see how is Marie doing. Marie's doing fantastic. Actually, she's trading the futures. Basically, she's trading SPY or S&P 500, but she's trading contracts, future contracts. So, yeah.
I was very happy. I did one trade that was not a correct trade, and I flipped my position after getting the confirmation that I needed volume to volume. Right now, I am it's almost 4 hours, so very happy with that with today. And
What's your average? Like about your average too last time that you before yesterday?
yeah, it's about 4 hours. So right now, being patient, crossing my arms, observations at certain levels, pleased with the day today, and having a clearer mind and the work that we did this morning.
Yeah, I'm so happy
Right,
for how patient you
so-
were. Like those trades are
Yes.
fantastic.
Patience
So
to wait
patience, yeah.
because you feel it. And let's be clear, when you see the direction going and it's 2-3 candles, but it's still not at your level, and you're saying, oh my God, I'm missing the move. You've got that building, right? And to just sit there and say, okay, no, let's cross our arms, let's talk, let's observe. So not easy. I didn't find it easy by any stretch of the imagination, but glad I did. Glad I did.
Nice.
Because I would have been in and out of the trade several times, like it happened yesterday. So glad I did. Glad I sat on my hands and waited for those levels to come through.
Yeah, nice.
With and moving my stop loss. So today was the first time I did that. To not.
It shows because I noticed that you were taking way smaller losses and like,
So though I do have a trailing stop loss, I forced the trailing even closer. So yes, in some cases, I left money on the table, but I don't believe the pullback would have gotten me out at the 1 hour stop loss. So glad that I was moving them and that I kept a profit.
nice.
Yeah. So yes,
That's pretty good.
pleased with my Friday today. I know we can always improve, and looking forward to that. Not getting out of the positions, but you know what? We've had a tough week. Some days this week. It's a new, like I said, new way of trading for me. So after seeing the profit, do not want to lose it. So yeah, you get out of the trade with the tighter stop loss.
Nice.
Yep. So good today.
All right.
So let's hold this weekend. I know that I think we're both going to have a little bit of a busy weekend, but let's hope we're able to rest and come back to you on Tuesday.
Have a good one, everybody.
Energize.
Thank you for being there, and I hope you enjoy your weekend. As Marie said, Monday is off, so Monday we are off. So yeah, bye.